It's not numbers, it's quality. Krishna Purusham Nrishu. He says, I am ability in man, or ladies. So you try chanting, and because you're learning new way, so it starts slow, but then, because there's Uchaisik Japa, Upamshu Japa, and Manasik Japa. So as the mind, Antakaran becomes Shud Antakaran. As the mind becomes pure, then this no sound, only inside. Anahata Shabda. Anahata means this chakra. Anahata chakra is heart chakra. So sound is coming there. Hearing mantra there. So then all syllables are there and can go very fast. But if it's upamshu, whispering, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, what's the point? I chanted 1 lakh of rounds, faulty. A mantra is no hard and fast rules. This is, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says in Antilila, Kayate suite nam, nirantara nam lao. Kahite suite. I mean, in Bengali, I don't know, you must be knowing. In Bengali, you're Bengali, must be.
No.
You're not. Anyway, you know. It's like Hindi anyway. Kabo, kayate, suite, sona. So whether you're eating or sleeping, you can chant. Nirantara, Mahaprabhu Shiksha. Nirantara Nam Lao. Always take the name. So there's no limitation. But it must be the right mantra. 32 syllables, 16 words.